Is there one story that has stayed with you, Maria, over the years?
The local anecdote, it's something very, very close to what we in Goa believe to be Susegado. People talk about Goa as Susegado, and everyone thinks it's laid back or lazy, but Susegado actually means is a sense of contentment. It's a fisherman while he's walking along the beach. Fisherman, so how often do you do this in a day? So he says, I go early in the morning, and like I actually go into the sea in the middle of the night, and I come out early in the morning. And he's like, but if you fish more than once a day, you can catch more fish. And he's like, and then what do I do? He's like, then you can, export the fish to other parts of the world. He's like, and then what? He's like, then, you'll have all the money in the world. You can retire, you can come back and live your life the way you want. But he's like, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Even 10 years from now, once you have all the money.
Right.
And if this is exactly what you want to do, even when you have all the money, then this is what you should be doing.
Beautiful, beautiful.